Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And what is in my kit? Guess what it is? Today we are talking about sponges and powder puffs. Boo! So hair. That is what I do. So relating to hair, these are what I use. So I have my powder puff. I always use a powder puff when I am going to push the lace down on the scalp. Okay, always use one, and you can move it around. Also, so you did that like in the top of the day. Then what I'll do is I will put my alcohol on this at the end of the day. So I'll put it into a plastic bag for sanitary reasons, and I will take it back out and I will cover it with alcohol, and I will hold it onto it as it comes off. Which I have another little trick coming up soon for that, so stay tuned. The next one is my squares. So good old squares, same thing. If I want to mat the glue, damp it on, once again, my little squares. Always have some, because you never know where you're gonna do it. Or if some hair gets on someone's face, I know it's not your department, it should technically be makeup, but you also, if you ever need a square, you have one. Now I have my sponge. So this is literally for prosthetics. So you're going to want to cut it really small. So I will cut this into about 100 pieces. When I say 100, like we make a big bag of it, and they're just little pieces that you come in and you can just dab in and get that glue. It's really great. And it's also, you can just throw it out when you're done. So easy cleanup. Those are my sponges.